Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. So last week, actually last 2 weeks, I've been doing pasta, or Italian. And I thought this week I would do seafood, because it just sounded good. So let's get to it. Alright, so everything is kind of being held up by the rice. As soon as that starts to cook, I can get things rolling. I'm using supportive cookware, because I don't have any cast iron to cook rice in, and I couldn't see using my rice cooker since it's only one. I'm just prepping my breadcrumb that I'm going to put on top of the fish. So these are just breadcrumbs. I've got some Parmesan cheese I'm going to throw in there too, just because. Parmesan encrusted. Got a little sloppy mama white. Got some garlic. Oh, still got the cap on. So rumor has it, the stuff comes out better if you take out the seal. So garlic, a little king of flavor MSG. And I'll throw a little salt in there. Okay, I think a little bit more. A little bit more breadcrumb. I just put my cast iron pan in just to warm it up a wee bit. Alright, I'm going to put just a little bit of bacon grease. Pan really didn't heat up at all, but that's alright. Don't need a lot. Get this fish in a pan. I'm just going to do the whole piece. I'm going to microwave the butter just a bit, just to melt it. Just 2 minutes left in the rice. Fish is ready to go. I have to wait for the timer on the microwave to stop so I can melt my butter. I got a pan here for my asparagus, my vegetable, and I got my steamer right over here. So I'm just down to minute 48. Alright, 20 seconds. Good enough. Alright, so I microwave the butter, mostly melted. And then stir in the breadcrumb mixture and the seasonings. Then we'll go ahead and put it on the fish. I'll zoom that in so you guys can see. Come on, zoom. Go. And thanks for zooming slow. So. Alright. Just breadcrumbs, butter, unsalted, and then all the seasonings. Get that in the oven. So it's going to be 20 minutes at 400. Alright, there we go. Timer just went off for the asparagus. I'm gonna pan fry it. I think it would be good to be pan fried. Get a little seasoning in there, some extra flavors in there. Throw in some salt. Not too much salt. A little garlic. A little unsalted butter. Oh yeah. Yes, I know I'm using the handle of my wooden spoon to stir, but I figured if I use the handle, I'd be able to get in there better. The fish is getting close and smelling pretty good too. So, all right, down to less than a minute. That looks pretty darn good, I'll tell you that. At least it does to me. It smells really good too. Let's see. I'm gonna dish this up. Well, okay. Asparagus. Alrighty, got my rice. Looks decent. Doesn't look too overcooked. Just enough for seconds. And of course, I like lemon on my fish, so I'll just squeeze some of the veggies, some on the fish. And I need pepper over everything. Alright. Let's give this a taste. Alrighty. See how the rice came out. I'm always nailed it again. My method for making rice, excuse me, has been very successful. I don't have to cook up a whole bunch or use my rice cooker. Asparagus is good. Give that fish a try. It's pretty good. Yeah. I kinda like that. Oh, it's really neat. Alright, well, I'd be holding up an empty plate, but I just threw it in the sink, so. Anyway, that was actually quite good. I really like that breadcrumb mix. I might have to experiment with some other ones. Maybe I can come up with something a little different, maybe a little bit tastier. Anyway, not that it wasn't good, not that it wasn't good. It was good, but you know, maybe it needs a little tweaking. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description and the end cards, which should be up now. Last week's video plus cast iron playlist. As always, have a good one. Catch you next one.